What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today, guys. We're going to talk about Dogelon Mars, guys. Dogelon Mars, that's what we're here to talk about. We're going to discuss it, guys. Where can we go in this bull run? We're looking at dropping zeros for sure, 100%. That's our goal. So we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it, how that is possible. All right, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date with all the Run My Crypto videos, guys. This is not financial advice, just some education to help you along the way when you're investing in crypto. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe, share this to all the Elon lovers out there, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. So how are we, guys? How are we going to do this, right? Let's talk about Elon. So is it possible to drop a few zeros? That's what a lot of people are trying to figure out with this project. Well, this project's been around for quite some time, and there's a lot of exchanges. Let's take a look at some of the exchanges that were listed on. So taking a look at Dogelon Mars. So I'm super bullish on this project, but I'm going to tell you why, guys. It's not because I'm looking at the monthly charts and saying, oh my God, we're doing spectacular. What I'm doing is looking at the yearly chart, only noticing that we're down by 25.47% when there's a lot of other big projects that are down double or triple that in their big blue chip projects. So that's positive for this project, especially because Dogelon Mars has been around for quite some time. If we zoom out, guys, this thing has pumped in 2021, and then we had that second pump, right? 2021, end of 2021, through a whole year, remained pretty vigilant coming down into the bear market, guys. So we're seeing some positive action, right? So we could see that there is basically some interest within the Dogelon Mars project. Now, if we look at the markets, guys, there's tons of exchanges that we're listed on, right? You got Bitmart, big ones, Pancake Swap, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Gate.io, you name it, Big Get. They're literally all there. Shiba Swap, VVS Finance, Quick Swap. So tons of great listing exchanges. eToro, look at that, eToro. That's what's up. Jasmine just got listed on eToro. That's what's up. But anyways, we're here to talk about Dogelon Mars. So this is a great project in my opinion, guys, and we'll talk about where it's going to potentially go in this bull run. So if we look at the month, guys, what are we looking at? Obviously, we had a great start and then dipped down when everything decided to dip. So it's not only Dogelon Mars that took a big dip, it's every other crypto project out there holding they made some positive momentum up, and then obviously we've seen a little bit of a dip come through when Bitcoin shook the market. So that's positive, right? There's nothing to be afraid of, there's nothing to be scared of. No need to sell out of this, because this is a pretty great project in my opinion. I'm hearing that this is going to get a facelift, so it looks like we're going to be getting a new website. I don't know how to access it, but it looks like they are migrating over, because a lot of the information is not popping up here, so I'm sure they're migrating over to that new website. So pretty sure we'll be able to see that very soon. If you guys have any information on that, just go ahead and drop it in the comments. Let me know. Keep me informed, guys. I put out a lot of content on different projects, so can't really spend a lot of time on everything, but I do love this project. So one thing I love about it, and I mentioned it before, guys, is the fact that we are going to be putting ourselves, as Dogelon Mars is going to basically head over to the Bitcoin ecosystem. Where are you at? But you know what I'm talking about if you've been following Dogelon Mars for a while. Bitcoin, runes, Dogelon Mars. There is a pretty good AMA that covered a lot of that information. But these things are going to be super cool in my opinion. So going to the blockchain, that's positive. All these exchanges, that's positive. So guys, we got some crazy good catalysts for Dogelon Mars, guys. We have obviously the runes that are being built as an NFT for Dogelon Mars. That's going to be huge when it comes to being able to just hop on that Bitcoin blockchain. So that's going to be solid for Dogelon Mars, guys. And then we have the catalyst, they're updating the website, so we're going to have some some great new facelift for Dogelon Mars. So that's going to be positive, guys. We've seen this project pump in, the last bull run, guys. But what happens when you have, we know that Dogelon Mars has the ability to pump inside of a bull run, because we've seen that. We looked at that in 2021. We caught both pumps in the bull run, right? So if the project wasn't that great, you wouldn't have seen a big pump up in the bull run, guys. But what happens when you mix, the ability to pump in a bull run, a facelift, now integrating with the best top performing cryptocurrency project, and that's Bitcoin, and they're being able to cross into Bitcoin and with ordinals utility mint Dogelon Mars NFTs. Now that is crazy insane. Now you put that all together with a Bitcoin rally to the peak of a bull run, guys. Where can we go? Definitely we are looking at dropping some zeros, guys. We will drop some zeros because, like I said, number one, this project has the ability to perform in a bull market. Second, we've doing so much work in Dogelon Mars as a project. Third, Rufus. Guys, Rufus is going to help eliminate some of our capacity of tokens, guys. We're going to be able to burn tokens with Rufus, guys. So there is so many crazy hot catalysts for Dogelon Mars in this coming bull run. I'm super excited to see where that's going to go, guys. I ultimately believe that no matter what, we're dropping 2 zeros. I think 2 zeros will be chopped off at a bare minimum in this bull run for Dogelon Mars. Can we get bigger than that? Yes, of course we can. If we look at it, this has the potential to drop at least 3 to 4 zeros in my opinion. But to play it safe and not to hype anybody up, we have to look at realistic matter, and that's at least dropping 2 zeros in this bull run with the amount of potential that this may have. And then, but bringing in ordinals and bringing in Bitcoin, that's basically your icing on your cake. That's what's going to take this project to the next level to drop even more zeros, especially with bringing that in and integrating that in. So stay up, keep your eye on it. I'm going to try to keep putting out whatever information I can about this project, guys. But in my opinion, this is a super bullish project, and it does have the capacity to do major things in this upcoming bull run, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date with Run My Crypto, guys. Make sure you guys check out the 10X squad so we can chat more about Dogelon Mars, guys. A lot of people in the community now, so it's looking good, and I'm loving it. Guys, Dogelon Mars, let's go to the moon. Let's go. Make sure you guys hit that comment button, drop some comments in there. Let me know. Get hyped up about Dogelon Mars, because pretty solid project in my opinion. Take care. Be blessed.